I'm Silva Chiyimba. I'm the CEO of IICS Technologies Limited. Been here for 13 years. I'm the pioneer of the company, but also the principal investigator of the work that we are doing within the health sector. Uganda's health sector, describing it may be difficult to me because I wasn't in Uganda. I was sourced to come back here to help on the health sector to improve service delivery using computers. So I came in to address a challenge that I was not very aware of until when I came. And in 2009, we had to embark on a research in the health sector to see or to determine which areas within the health sector could benefit from computer science. We wanted to address those challenges that had been given to us, but also to look out for others that could be added. The challenges that were given to us were: one, health workers were not attending work, drugs were getting lost, accountability of drugs was not there. So those were the major sort of challenges that we were given to look at. However, during our research, we found that there were other challenges of record management, health workers being posted to health facilities that they never reported to, and so forth and so on. So we set out to have the focus around those areas.
Joined IICS in 2010 and I started as a junior developer. While I interned with the Ministry of Health in 2010, I just got a call from Dr. Silva Chiyimba. As a computer scientist, he has so much knowledge in this field of IT and health. His preferred starting point was robotics in 2010. If you look at iHealth Center today, in 2023, robotics is something that's just starting to come up. People are starting to look at big data. He had this dream in 2010. So all he's been building is towards achieving AI in the health sector. So I see this vision coming to life in this time when big data is a big issue in the country.
I worked as a senior software developer at IICS. IICS has been developing software to ease the work and the health system, especially we're working on drug management system, which was tracking the movement of drugs from the stores to the patient, and this helped a lot in reducing the cumbersome work of the healthcare and accountability on how the medicines and supplies were being used.
My joining IICS tracks back almost 7 years ago. And I got an opportunity that I was just fresh from campus. I think for me the inspiration was when we were interviewed and we spoke to Doctor. First of all, it was the quest to learn from people who had actually learned a lot before. Doctor is a very learned person, and being under his mentorship while working here was a very great aspiration for a person like me.
When I joined IICS, IICS was still under the project. It was known as IICS project, not yet incorporated into IICS Technologies.
In 2012, after leaving Makere for my bachelor's, so then I joined as a junior software developer. I worked with IICS from 2012 up to 2015. I left for my master's, and currently I'm doing my PhD. I'm a second year student here at the University of Trento in Italy.
Being a computer science graduate, I wanted to make sure I contribute to solving part of the problems in the country, and IICS being a company using digital tools or digital experience to make sure that the people in the hospitals get faster and efficient service delivery. It inspired me to join the company.
IICS Technologies is known for mainly the development of the Integrated Hospital Management Information System, which is a system that manages day-to-day activities of hospitals It has been deployed in mainly government regional referral hospitals, and it's working very, very well.
When it comes to patient care and information management, I appreciate that IHMIS, the system that is developed by IICS Technologies, is the only system in Uganda that is complete and engineered and conceptualized to the Uganda setting as regards to the digital health sector.
We've seen different solutions that have come out of IICS, and some of those is just school, is part of one of those is SchoolMate, the other is Integrated Hospital Management Information System that's been deployed across regional referral hospitals and some district hospitals. And we're seeing very good positive response in the private sector as well, which gives me a lot of hope that the future is really bright for us.
The fact that we are in a digital era, a lot is happening. There's quite a number of data out there which can't be now managed with the current technologies that are in use. I'm seeing IICS in the next 15 years as a great company that is going to implement using the emerging technologies like big data, artificial intelligence to improve on the delivery of health services in the healthcare industry.
It has helped to address the issue of accountability of drugs, because on the system you're able to see the drugs coming in, and then you also get to see the drugs being dispensed to the various patients that have come into the hospital. And then the other thing, the system also has a functionality where when the health worker logs into the system, it captures the time they log in, it captures the number of patients they've attended to, and also when you leave the hospital. So we are now able to track that accountability of the workers.
I can confidently say that IICS was founded to address the gap of healthcare delivery through innovative digital solutions. Now, the goal was to create sustainable solutions that make healthcare more accessible to everyone.
I see this vision coming to life through the person who used to call the principal investigator, and that is Dr. Silva Chiyemba. As a computer scientist, he has so much knowledge in this field of IT and health. His preferred starting point was robotics in 2010. If you look at iHealth Center today, in 2023, robotics is something that's just starting to come up. People are starting to look at big data. He had this dream in 2010. So all he's been building is towards achieving AI in the health sector. So I see this vision coming to life in this time when big data is a big issue in the country.
IICS will not only be Africa, maybe will even be global. You know, we are going to the world, we are conquering the world with our new technologies. And we have what it takes, we have the staff, we have the resources here are really trained, and we think we are going to be the new kid in the block to look out for in the next 15 years. Everyone will be looking for us.
I really want to first of all thank the principal investigator for the vision, for the commitment, for the excellence that he has brought in. I know he has a very big vision for this country, not only just the public sector, but other aspects of administration within the country. But I'm so grateful for his sacrifice that he has taken to ensure that he brought this technology to the people of Uganda. I want to thank the staff of IICS. It's a lot of sacrifice. I know that they put in to ensure that this is success.
For all our staff, I would like to tell them to enhance motivation, commitment, and job engagement in order to improve performance and retain the talented people that we are.
From me, Kevin, to IICS, congratulations on making it 13 years. I am blessed and honored to be part of this journey.
First of all, I would like to congratulate IICS Technologies. I would like to congratulate Dr. Silva and the entire staff that have persisted amidst so many challenges.
The journey has been tough sometimes, and we're seeing a lot of growth. So I want to say congratulations to IICS.
We've come a long way. There have been challenges in between here and there, but our resilience and hard work has got us this far.
Companies have started, and you hear they collapse within 2 years. Yes. But us going to 13 years is a very great achievement.
Obubaka banyuze okuwumba nabo mu kampani yaffe kubeera bumu. Kampani yaffe yongera okugenda mu maaso, nze ndi mukyala mulokole, tugisabire naddala ekisinga byonna tusabire mukama waffe waggulu kubanga bayibuli eŋŋamba nti tewali bukulembeze butava eri Katonda.
Abakozi bonna batugenda ku birthday yaffe bonna mbakubiriza bengena n'amaanyi okukola.
And I want to wish the IICS staff, the vision bearer, a happy birthday.
As we celebrate 13 years, I'm happy to say that we still have some of those pioneers who started with us. We congratulate them. We have colleagues who have gone out for green pastures, but still linked to us. We also thank them for keeping the spirit going. As a team here now, we are focused to taking IICS to greater heights by performing better than what we've been doing, by embracing more technologies that we are bringing on board so as to support our clients.